I spoke to Mr. Anthony, who was a defense minister under the UPA, and he mentioned to me that an operation of this nature is a top secret operation, and the way these operations are designed, only the top brass knows the mission. Meaning, until the pilots take off, even they don't know the mission. Who knows the mission? The Prime Minister, Defense Minister, Home Minister, NSA, and the Air Force Chief. Those are the 5 people, according to our Defense Minister. I asked him, who would know about this mission? And he said there are 5 people. The 5 I mentioned. Now the question is, who out of the 5 people has told this journalist about the Balakot mission? And why has that person put our Air Force pilots at risk? If this is available to a journalist, if it is on WhatsApp, I'm sure forces that are interested in this information, enemy forces, can also access this. So I'm asking a very simple question. Why is it that there is no inquiry? These 5 people know. Somebody out of these 5 has told a journalist. If it is not the Prime Minister, why has he not ordered an inquiry and said treason has taken place? Somebody out of these 5 people has put the Indian nation, the Indian Air Force at risk. I want to find out who it is. Why has he not done that? Because that's the first thing the Prime Minister would. The only reason he's not done that is because he is involved in this type of leaking of information.
Sir, you think that he has breached Congress and do you think that he has some issues going on?
Well, the fact that this information is on WhatsApp and this gentleman knows 3 days before, of course Official Secret Act has been breached. The act has been breached by one of those 5 people, and also by this person who is busy telling somebody else. So absolutely it is a breach of Secrets Act. Now, would you like that?
Next question.
Puducherry Union Territory, Congress and DMK have been going some issues now. In Tamil Nadu, Congress, DMK.
We are having a very good relationship with the DMK. We have full respect of Mr. Karunanidhi, full respect of Stalinji, and we have full faith in the alliance. Yeah. So I want to say something. It's an honor and a pleasure for me to come here. I enjoy coming to Tamil Nadu. The aim of the alliance is to stop the RSS ideology from coming into Tamil Nadu. Mr. Narendra Modi has the remote control with which he is controlling the government of Tamil Nadu. We are going to take out the batteries of the remote control and throw it away. Thank you.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, Our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.